Hey, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make your own can or bottle desk holder. First you need to do is to download the STL file, which you can find in the description. Then open it in your slicing software. I am using Cura. I print it in the side position without any supports and with 20% infill. After that you need to slice it and save a file. Now few words about material. You can print it with PLA, PETG or ABS. If you are going to use it with cold drinks, you can freely choose PLA or PETG and there won't be bigger differences. If you need it for hot drinks, you should choose ABS. Printing takes about 10 or 11 hours. After that you take the print and proceed to mounting it. There are two options to stick it to the desk, using screws or double-sided tape. I use 4mm screws, about 20mm long each, and it is a good option for the solid connection. But in this video I will use a tape to show you that it is good enough to handle a half-liter can in the next part of the video. Screws will be better, but I know not everybody would like to drill their desks. After placing two pieces of tape, we proceed to place the holder under the desk. Make sure that it's pushed enough and will have a solid connection. You can see that the holder can hold a big can. Now the smaller one. And yes, I know it will work better than the big one, but you see that the dimensions are good to have an easy access to small cans too. Now let's get back to the bigger one. As you can see, I push it harder and it still sticks well. I can also place the second one on top and it is strong enough, so there are no worries that it can fall down. You should also remember that the screws will provide stronger connection and the choice is yours, belongs to you. The link to the download page is provided in the description. Thank you for watching and please stay tuned for next projects.